welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today I want to share with you some very delicious chocolate covered strawberries. Perfect for the holidays. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. Ingredients. I have white chocolate, dark chocolate, some sticks, food coloring, red and pink, and of course the strawberries. This is everything we need to cover these delicious and amazing strawberries. Perfect for the holidays, so let's get started. I want to start here with the strawberries. I washed them and dried them very good 1 hour before starting the video. You want to make sure that you wash and dry completely the strawberries so that the chocolate will stick on the strawberry. I have the chocolate melts here. I have the chocolate chips, the white and the dark chocolate. And I am going to take them to the microwave, 30 seconds increments. But before I do that, I want to show you that I'm going to be adding some little sticks on my strawberries. I'm leaving the green part behind, but if you don't want to leave it behind, you could remove it. I want to go ahead and just start adding the little sticks right in the center, just right to the middle of the strawberry, so it doesn't fall off and it's nice and steady and it grips the stick really tightly. Well, I'm going to continue doing the rest. Here I am completely done with all my strawberries, and now I am ready to start melting away the chocolate. I melted the chocolate, the dark chocolate, like I said, 30 seconds increments for about 2 to 3 times. And now I am ready to start adding it to this Ziploc. I'm going to add it in here because with this chocolate, I'm going to make some really nice designs on the strawberries. Of course, if you don't want to make the designs and you just want to dip them in the chocolate, well, that's totally fine. Here, I separated the white chocolate. It's nice and melted, and I'm adding one with red and the other one with pink. And I'm going to do the same thing I did using a Ziploc and having everything ready. So when I'm ready to dip the strawberries into the white chocolate, these are the chocolates I'm going to use to decorate the strawberries. As you could see, the chocolate is really nice and melted, but just make sure that it's at room temperature. You don't want to add your strawberries in there and the chocolate is too hot because it's not going to stick to the strawberry. I'm just going to nip the little side of the Ziploc so that I have it ready. I'm going to be pulling back the green stems and I'm going to start dipping them inside until they are completely covered. Look at this. They look amazing. Of course, it's a little bit time consuming, but you know something? When you have kids at home, you can't even invite them in and tell them, let's decorate. And of course, all the strawberries are going to be unique. And it's like when you make these strawberries at home, you decide how you want to decorate, what colors you want to use. But look at this. So simple. Instead of going and buying some, why not make them at home? Look how beautiful this looks. Of course, that if you want to make all of them with the same design, well, that's your desire. But here I want to make different kinds so that they are nice and festive. The Christmas is right around the corner. New Year's is right around the corner, and let's enjoy these dipped strawberries in chocolate. And why not be fancy and make the decorations really nice and pretty. And like I said, if you have kids at home, invite them to the kitchen, have them help you decorate these strawberries. And then they're gonna say, Mom, can I have one? My kids are watching me make these designs and they're helping me on the side because we're taking some for my family members, and we are all in the festive mood. So we are making dipped strawberries just like that. This one I am adding some gold sprinkles right on the top. When you add sprinkles, just make sure that the chocolate doesn't dry, because if the chocolate dries, the sprinkles are not going to stick to the chocolate. So once you dip it, just take the excessive chocolate off and then just go ahead and add your sprinkles. I have pink sprinkles on this one. The other one were gold sprinkles, and this one has all the colors of the sprinkles. Look at this. Remember, the kids will have a lot of fun, and even the adults. When you start making this, they're all thinking, did you buy them? How did you do them? You know, this is really nice to take when your family reunion, when you go out and you want to impress somebody. This is a perfect dipped chocolate. Look at this. Very unique, and they look beautiful, and I'm sure they taste amazing. And of course, I want to make a little decoration. I added some foam in the center of this cup, and I'm going to start sticking all the strawberries in there, or as many as I could add in there to see how they're going to look. Look at this. I am ready for the presentation, and I'm ready to taste them. So I'll see you in a bit. Completely done with these delicious covered strawberries. Look at this. They look amazing. Perfect for the holidays when the family's coming over and you want to surprise them with these delicious covered strawberry. Look at this. They look so amazing. And I know, my friends, if I could do it, you could do it. You could impress your family with these delicious covered strawberries with chocolate. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated so every time I make a delicious recipe like I did today, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Happy holidays from my family to your family. Love you. See you soon. Like, subscribe, and share. Bye-bye.